What are you doing?
Grinding pig.
Looks like you're making a mess.
Yeah.
So are these the cold pigs from the other day?
Yes.
And so what is this, like, what do we got going here?
Grinding sausage meat.
What makes the meat sausage meat?
And we gotta add the spices to it, but this is just ground pork.
So is this like ground up pork chops or where did this meat?
Ground pig.
Just like an extra pieces, like
Extra
weird
bits
little bits?
Bits and pieces.
Okay. And how many pounds do you think you got in that bowl?
I don't even know. There's probably 25 pounds.
I was thinking maybe like 8 and 12, something like that.
Take care of the scale
And weigh it out.
weigh it out.
And then you're gonna pack this.
We're gonna pack it in 1 pound packages.
And you're gonna put it through the
2 pound. I don't know. Whatever you decide.
in a vacuum sealer.
Vacuum seal it.
And then we're gonna season maybe one bowl and leave the other bowl plain. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, we'll have to weigh it out.
All right, looks like fun. Okay, now what's going on in the bowl?
Put the Italian seasoning in for the sausage.
And how many pounds of meat you got going on in there?
10 pounds.
Did you weigh that or are you guessing?
We weighed it.
So you're gonna mix that up real good and then pack it?
And we're gonna pack it, yes.
All right.
I think you could put the rest of that in there.
More seasoning? Ready for it?
We weighed out the seasoning.
And is this our mix or store-bought? What do you got?
It was made in Utah.
Okay.
I don't remember the name of it.
I think it's from Colosimo's, but I wouldn't quote that. Okay, so you're just about done mixing it. Now we're gonna pack it?
Yes.
All right, sounds good.
Hey, lady.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm packing ground pork. What are you doing?
Watching you. Just got everything washed up as far as the grinder.
That's the time to get it dirty again?
Just in time to get it dirty. We gotta go get that stainless steel for this tabletop.
That would be nice. Then I don't have to be so careful. I can make a mess.
What do you have there? Fresh ground?
Fresh ground. Plain, fresh ground.
Elephant?
Elephant. Yes, it's a specialty in these areas.
Almost a pound?
Almost a pound. Somebody doesn't know what a pound looks like.
It was probably the last package.
I don't know.
So what did we end up with?
We're not done yet. That's that's the trim, the chops, and the oops pieces.
We still have the bacon.
The littles are all...
So we have a hind quarter, which is a ham, and the ribs, and
the bacon.
the belly for the bacon. We gotta cure those.
Yep. Except for the ribs, we just gotta wrap them in paper.
How many more packages do you have? A couple?
Dos. Dos más.
So you vacuum them.
So we got,
Seal
what,
'em.
like, I don't know, 14 or so, 15 pounds of ground, 10 pounds of Italian, a few packs of pork chops, a few packs of stir-fry meat, a few packs of stew meat, and then we have a bit of lard to render.
That's just a half a pig.
Oh, I guess that's already on. That's the half, yeah. So times 4. We gonna do another one today?
Good.
Oh, we should.
We got a mess.
No, we
Keep the-
never make messes.
Keep the mess going.
We never make messes. We're very clean.
Pat it again. Show us how you pat it.
I try to pat it so it lays flat in the freezer.
That's 1 pound.
I don't know. Let's look. My scale keeps messing up. That is 1.1. Yep, 1 pound. Right on the money.
Huh. Imagine that.
I like to do ground pork instead of sausage for some of it, though, because you can always turn it into sausage. But you can't take the seasoning out if you need it plain, right? Okay, last one
For the half.
for the half. For the moment.
Oh, and your mom took some pork chop and
She took
some steaks.
some shoulder steaks and a pork chop that was odd.
You're gonna pat that down. Give it a pat.
If you pat it too soon, the air doesn't come out of the corners. That's what I found. Ta-da! How much does this one weigh?
I think right at a pound.
I think it's over. Oh, 1.13.
Okay, we're going in the cooler. Here's the other half. Here's the ham that we gotta get in the brine and brine it for about 12 days. And then we'll smoke it. There's the ribs and the bacon wrap. It's rolled up. That side, bacon sides. So we have a pig right there, the other half, and then there's a full pig over here. It's hard to see that. So there's a whole pig, and that's left. That's a half. Okay, we got a little bit of pork fat that we're going to render down into lard, and then we still have some meat to cube up for cube steak, or stew meat, I guess I should say.
All right, finishing up the last little bit. This is a stew meat. This is need to cook a little longer. It's got some gristle and whatever, so probably be chili verde or something like that. So, anyways, there's our day.
Like and subscribe.